Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is glitter eggs. I'm going to take plain white styrofoam Easter eggs and turn them into something that's going to make your decorations pop like crazy. It is so easy to do. It's a couple of steps, and the hardest part is waiting for the glue and the paint to dry. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what I have here is pastel paints. I've got lavender sachet, blue cotton, cameo pink, cloudless, yellow flame, and apricot. And I have coordinating glitter to go with each one of the paints. I have a paintbrush, a styrofoam plate, some very thin skewers, Mod Podge, paper for the glitter so that I can put it back in. I have, this is called a pencil and brush organizer. And I had gotten this at the Dollar Tree a long time ago. And I'm going to use this so that things dry. Now you can use colored eggs for this. Like these. And just intensify them. For this project, I'm using white styrofoam eggs, and I also got these at the Dollar Tree. Okay, what I'm going to do is, first and foremost, is put a skewer into the egg. And I'm putting it in the bottom. And I'm going to do that to at least 6, so I have some of each color. And it may need 2 coats, I'm not sure. But then after I paint them all and I get them to dry, then we'll go on to the next stage. Okay, I've got the 2 coats of paint on each of the eggs, and I'm letting them dry. And as soon as they dry, I'm going to put some Mod Podge on them and sprinkle them with their coordinating glitter. Okay, I've got my paper folded, and this is to catch the glitter. And I've got my Mod Podge, and I'm just going to put a nice even coat of the Mod Podge on the egg. And the thing I like about these eggs when I do them myself is that the color is a lot more intense than you can buy in the stores. And the intense colors of these, they'll do amazing things for centerpieces and wreaths. And you can see that I missed a little spot here, so I'm just going to dab it. And there you go with the first one. And I have a tendency to do a few of these. And I'll just, after they're completely dry, I keep them in a zipper bag. And that way I have them for when I need them. And no, I don't leave the sticks on them. Okay, I'm going to go work on the other ones and I'll let you see when they're all done. And the difference is really amazing. Okay, I've got all the little eggs dry. And look at those. The color is so vibrant and it just sparkles like crazy. And I can really enhance any decoration that I'm going to do. And if I can't find a color that I need, I can make my own. And it takes no time at all. The hardest part of this is waiting for the glue and the paint to dry. And to store these, that comes right out so easy. And I'll have these until next year or whenever I do the next arrangement. Of course, you know me, any excuse to play with glitter. And I'm very happy. It's nice to have these on hand. It really is. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.